maybe I cut the daughter.
Okay. There we go. No names. Hi, I'm Futures Floor, and you are?
What do you mean, no names?
I am Oli. He is Sven. Usually I have little names, little name tags underneath.
I told
We're
you I
going.
was gonna do SpongeBob today. You got to pick your own. What are you, Patrick or
Hmm.
Miley Cyrus?
Matt. You're Patrick. I'm Matt.
You're Matt.
And Alex can be Kermit. What's his
Everybody's
real
been
name?
Matt.
Matt. Trades by
He
Matt.
he can be the ICT guy. What's his
Kermit.
name?
Michael.
Michael.
Michael. Okay, there we go.
Michael. No, what's the
Yeah,
Kermit's name again?
SpongeBob, Patrick, and Michael.
I was just going to take 500 trades today. No, I'm not even sure if Alex saw my results yet for today.
I did, I did. How do you
Hmm.
not know when I answered you?
I don't know. I got so many things going on.
Come on, homie.
I don't even have time. I don't even have time to answer emails. And then we wonder why people aren't answering us emails. Okay, I gotta focus. I gotta focus on not making money. I gotta focus on not focusing. That's really hard. Uh, Alex, I had something to say to you. I don't remember what it was.
Sounds like mom when she says Alex, and it sounds like
Alex.
she's gonna put me in trouble or tell me I did something wrong and then tell me, oh, if she came home.
Mm,
When she calls me, Alex, are you there? Yeah, mom. How was your day? And I keep thinking I'm being punished. So what do you want,
I
Mike?
have to sync my clock. I don't know. Let's watch the pre-market. Well, we broke the pre-market already. Waiting
I
for
got
a
one
red.
chart going crazy. The other chart's the exact same chart. It's barely
Mm,
moving.
waiting for a red candle on the 1 minute.
This is
Heikin
weird. It's like
Ashi.
one chart gets the information, the
Oh,
other
we just
chart
took
only
out
gets
all-time
like
high
every
again in Asia buy
third or
side.
fourth bit of information.
Mm.
Mike, what do you have on the ATR?
Really? You want to take my eyes away from my screen now?
Oh, well, I mean, you should have an indicator. It should be on your screen. You just like look at it, and it's like, oh,
What
it's this.
you lost money because of you? I'm blaming you. 10 seconds. We're gonna get a red candle. Might be dangerous. Oh no! Turn green. Call this. If I enter now, it's late. Ah.
I told you, you should go long at the open. No, didn't listen.
I did go long and I lost money.
Wait, on the 1 minute the candle was red, but you have to wait for a black candle on Heikin Ashi?
Well, red, a down candle. I have to wait for now a down candle on the Heikin Ashi. Okay,
There
hold
hasn't
on a
been
second.
one?
One. No, not yet.
A red candle?
Yep. Not on mine, anyways.
Not on mine either. But of course, mine's painted.
Painted black, like the Rolling Stones say. Bono, mono, mo.
What is it? There was a red door, and I want to paint it black.
Mm. Understone. Yeah,
Can we get a
really. My
trading
phone
version
call
of that
now.
song?
Isn't that a
Jesus
song, Painted
Christ.
Black from ACDC?
Yep,
There,
painted black.
there was a red
No.
account. I want to
Ah,
paint
painted.
it green.
No. Back in black is ACDC.
Mm.
Painted black is. Well, you guys are just nuts. This world is nuts. Omnis is asking me questions. People are calling, blocking my screen. Do they not notice that the markets move fast at this hour?
It's
Yeah, I
okay.
think you got your first red Heikin Ashi, no?
It's okay. Calm
Yeah, we gotta
down.
wait 37 seconds more.
34, 33, 32.
We gotta wait till
Oh,
it
it froze.
closes.
It fucking froze.
Yeah.
All right, we're down 27, 26. How much you want to bet if I get in a trade, it just freezes?
18 seconds. This is gonna be a big one. 9:45. Oh, wait a minute. No, it's not gonna be a big one. I thought it was gonna be a huge stop loss. Short. get in. I got in a little late, which is good.
Said
Saved
short.
myself some pain.
You said
Yeah, I
short.
said short for the PM fade trade. It is what it is. I don't know what to tell you.
I went long.
Yeah, I wanted to go long too.
I went long, and you were like, "Okay, I'm short."
I
I'm
so
like, "What?"
badly wanted to go long. Fuck, I couldn't. Gotta follow the fucking rules. I hate rules. That's a fade. What do you call it? It's counter trend trade.
You just shocked me because as soon as I get long, you're like, "Okay, I'm short." I'm like, what?
Yeah.
You know what'll make this day better? Some loud, heavy music.
Oh my
Always
god.
works. Always does the trick. Alex, you listen to music when you trade or silence?
No music. I'd rather listen to music, but no.
I can't listen to the silence. It's too loud. So you'd like to listen to music, but you don't.
Yeah,
You don't have Spotify?
I do. I do have Spotify, but then it plays in my stream somehow. Even if I have to mute like you guys. What do you have? You have a second pair of earbuds in? Omnius?
Yeah, I'm just thinking.
Huh?
So you're sending everything to your earbuds or
Yep.
your headphones?
Yep.
No, I just send the music to my headphones. Like I have Spotify. I have maybe what you have to do is mute your.
If I mute the other stuff, it mutes like David, you, my dad.
No, it's just in the setup.
Call me Mike.
Yeah,
So
no,
I'm thinking because you hear it and then it goes to OBS also. So of course you would just mute it in OBS, the dashboard or whatever, and then stuff like that. But I don't know how your setup works because mine I run through an audio box and it's got to be routed and everything. So I think yours is straight to the computer, right?
Yeah. And Q still has a long way to go for all-time highs. A lot of stocks beat earnings too yesterday.
We got a loser. I don't know what's going on your end, but oof, on my end, it's ugly. Not the numbers,
So
but
if
the
you just
good
bring
bad.
up Spotify, it plays music.
Yeah.
What do you? I don't understand what you're saying.
If I bring up
Are you saying?
Spotify and I listen to music right now,
Yeah.
it's gonna play in my stream.
That's a dump.
Okay. Well, that's your stream would be picking up the desktop.
Yeah, my
Use
stream
your
would be
desktop.
picking up. I have 3 different types of audio. I have desktop audio, mic aux, and something else. But my desktop audio is you guys. So normally, like if I put in a little music in the background, I can't have it be copyright things. Like I could put like a beat.
Right, because you're playing through you're playing from the desktop.
Yeah.
Mute the desktop. Your audio for everybody else should be coming through Discord.
Yeah, I don't have it through Discord. It's all through OBS. But yeah, I would have to separate you guys.
You just have to run your mic to Discord and then to OBS or something like that.
Which I could. I used to have another audio mixer. I don't know where the third one went.
Yeah, it's just a routing thing.
Yeah. You don't
It'd
want
be
to
good to
sing though
fix
when it
every.
happens? When you're listening to music, you don't want to sing?
Not
I
really.
feel like I can't help it.
You probably listen to more singing music. I listen to more heavy music.
Oh, I'm gonna get crushed.
Mike, you sound like you're in agony.
I am. I can't squeeze my butt cheeks any harder. It's not funny.
Are you going long or short?
Don't ask questions. You're not allowed.
Don't ask
Yeah, no,
questions.
hey, how's it going?
Before we found Skyscanner.
Please.
Alex, so if you play a YouTube video or something, it's gonna come through also.
Yeah, like right now by accident I clicked on Mike's stream because I wanted to go look and the audio was on, so it heard the first 2 seconds of the ad.
Uh-oh.
I don't know if I was short or long. I was everything at all times. I was short, I was long, I was short, I was long, I was oversized. Look, the market was moving too fast. There was nothing I can do. I think everything I did today was bad, 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 and bad. The only good thing is that my number is green. So, but that's, I don't know what to say. I have to hang my head in shame today.
Sometimes you just gotta hit the close button and take a
Yeah.
breather.
No, but the problem is I'm trying to do the fade trade, which is counter trend, and I'm trying to trend trade also at the same time, and it's fucking me up.
Look at the size of the candles.
It's the curse of trying to fade trade. I
That
think
was a
I just
90-point candle.
Yeah, I know, it's crazy. It's a good thing I don't have
Oh,
I
the
don't have my
ATR
fingers
went
in the
up,
market
didn't
right
it?
now.
We had a 100-point candle down and then a 100-point candle up.
We was at like 14 earlier. Now we're at freaking almost 40. I was wondering what was going on. I wish we could get an ATM strategy that went by ATR. Wouldn't that be so much nicer?
Hmm.
Like, look, if we're at a 50 ATR, I'd like a little bit higher take profit than if we're at a 14. Mike's the formula. You do a less than one or like a 1.5
Are you talking to
ATR.
me?
Your name's Mike, right?
Yeah. Mike, ever since I put on my camera on Discord, it's uglier than what it used to be. I don't know why.
Hmm.
I realize it's more grainy and stuff.
Is it like when you talk to GPT and you have to say, GPT, you are this, right? Mike, you are Mike. Your name is Mike. Pretend like you are Mike. What's the formula for the ATR? Do you do a 1 ATR
6.
for take profit, or do you do like a 1.5 or a 0.5?
I do 6.
6.
When I say
6
Mike, you
ATR.
say yes. Mike, yes.
6. Hold on, I'm having issues. I'm having more issues than I know.
When I say homie, you hear horny. Homie, horny.
End task. End task.
No skills. 3,200.
And now if you put it all together, Mike, my homie, yes, I'm horny.
Yeah, I don't know if it took a screenshot.
I think he's trying to ignore you.
No, I'm trying to figure out what's going on. I'm busy. I can't do both. I have to quit streaming.
He's like, I don't even know what my name is, and y'all bugging me.
I just feel like so much is happening right now, and I'm missing it all.
Uh-oh. Okay. Take a break. Take a deep
What
breath.
day is it today?
The day before yesterday. No, the day after yesterday.
The day before yesterday.
Hey, D, how's it going, man? Hey, D, what day is it? Mike's asking. AD says today is Thursday.
You know, it wouldn't be a bad idea to sit out the first half an hour of the markets, to be honest with you.
Half an hour is a lot. I always say the first 15 minutes. You can even do the first
Yeah.
10. Normally it's 10 to 15. That's retarded. Then you're fine.
Yep, he confirmed it. Today's Thursday.
Yeah, so if it's Thursday, then it's the day before today.
Mm.
Uh, okay, well, the silver lining is the account is green. The second silver lining is I'm not touching my Apex accounts anymore.
Touch me, Mike.
I'll take a little bit of a break. I should have hit the emergency button way earlier. What's amazing is like, look at you guys just sitting there, not clicking.
What? I've taken like 4 trades. 3 trades. I don't know. How many did I take?
Let's go see how many I took. Let me open up Rhythmic.
I told you go long. I took the long. I took 1 long, and you said short as soon as I took it. I was like, what?
Again, let's see what it says. Rhythmic says I took 75 trades.
AD is clarifying it will be Thursday in 1 minute.
She's
Not technically,
laughing.
but in 1 minute.
Yeah.
Well,
When
look at the
next
volume
1 minute
coming
candle
in.
closes, we're good.
The orders are bouncing.
Okay, get out of this chart. Let's get onto the money chart. Fuck. Look at that, man. Long,
I'm
long,
seeing.
long, 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 all of them making money while I'm trying to take the PM fade trade. Who came up with this stupid PM fade trade?
Mike, I'm so stubborn. I got a 1 minute chart on my other screen because that's where I want the 1 minute chart to be. And I'm looking at 2 charts. They're both the same chart.
Good morning, TA. Yeah, I do 9:45 TA. 10 o'clock is a lot. I don't want to throw away the first 30 minutes. I always wait at least 15. I think the rule should be at least 10. Well, like I said, it depends on your strategy. For me, it should be at least 10.
I think it's whenever the market becomes less bipolar.
Yeah.
Whether that takes 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 or an hour.
Good morning, no skills. Yeah, I think it should be whenever the market stops being bipolar. Oh, no skills, it was you.
Thank you.
I had Darth come in my stream and talk about it also, and I thought it was him. I asked him, "Did you get the position?" I didn't. I forgot it was you. I thought it was Darth for a second.
75 trades in a month isn't bad. That's daily for Mike.
No, that was just since you opened, 15 minutes.
Yeah, I threw in some W's in the chat for you. It's so funny too. I think it was Monday. I asked Darth. I'm like, "Hey, did you get the job?" He didn't answer me. I was like, "Wait, I think I have it wrong. Who was it?"
Is that no skills job?
Yeah. Told him to keep me updated. And then I forgot on Monday who it was, and I asked Darth. I'm like, "Hey, Darth, you got the job?"
That's funny. Omnius, I'm eligible for payout. I'm not trading anymore till it's in the bank. Wait, don't you have to continue the trade or something? I always get the rules mixed up by different firms. What firm is it, AD? Is it Apex? Let me consult with my Apex guy, Mike.
Yeah.
Look, you see, it
When you're
worked, Mike.
eligible,
Yes.
when you're eligible for a payout with Apex, do you have to keep trading? Don't most people just like lower size or something?
I don't know.
No, you don't have to.
It smells.
No, you don't have to. If you just have the minimum trading days, you don't have to do anything. Apex, you can wait 1 month before even taking a trade.
What
I
company? One of the
squeezed.
companies you have to keep trading.
No idea. Some of them
Yes.
have weird rules, like you
Is
can't
that
go a week
Bullinox?
without one trade.
One of them has a rule you can't even lower your size. I forget which one that is. They all have different rules. It's just sorry when I look at 15 different companies, they start blurring together. AD, great job getting to the payout again. Not financial advice, but take the money and run. Take the money and run. Not
We got
advice,
a new
though.
one.
Everybody's different. You have to make your own choice.
Wow, the
Wow,
candles are
fast
crazy,
moves,
man.
man.
Yeah.
Is that just a 70-point move? Just like, yeah, I went 70 points.
Like it was nothing.
I feel like I got got by that. It's just becoming normal now, I guess. I don't even know if a
Mm,
stop loss would have worked there.
mm.
Start calling those like the death candles or something. The candles of death.
Yeah, but TA, it depends what firm you're with. Some firms it's a week, some firms it's 2 weeks. I know Apex it's 1 month. But I wouldn't risk going against the rules because even if they don't close your accounts, if you ever try to request a payout, they'll tell you you broke the rule.
Yep. Always play by the rules.
Went to Mike's stream and voted for tacos. Good job, AD. You the man.
What's better, tacos with Omnis or McDonald's with Mike? Tuna with Tima. Yo.
Did you vote yet?
Yeah, I voted tacos with Omnis.
Good
I
job.
told you. I bet they all did that.
But it says McDonald's with Mike is still winning.
On his stream. On my stream, it's 58% tacos with Omnius.
Tacos.
Mike got
We just had tacos.
24%.
Yeah.
Mike got
And he wanted tacos.
24%, and I Eat Cardboard got 18. He's just barely above I Eat Cardboard. Y'all have tacos? We had tacos yesterday.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we had tacos on Sunday, I think.
Yeah, we did.
I messaged the wife. I was like, tacos? She's like, I love tacos.
Hell yeah.
How could it be a rule if they don't enforce it?
What's the rule?
TA said TPT says you have to take a trade every week, at least one, but that they don't enforce it.
Where?
He said TPT.
Where? I don't know
I
where.
have no idea what the rules of TPT. Yeah, they don't usually enforce it, but Bullinox kind of does. They sent me a notice.
I think I went over on Bullinox a few times. I don't even think I got a notice.
Oh, on the Master?
Was you on the Master or was you on Evo? No, I was on the
No,
Master.
Master. When
Yeah, the Master. I told you I got one account that's about blown.
Mm,
So I just been messing with it. I've been looking for like a time when the market's not going 100 points to try to scalp it back, which is damn near impossible. But you know, it's paid for. It don't hurt me. It don't
mm.
cost me anything. It's not
Break the
gone till
high
it's
of that
gone, right?
candle, you fucker.
Break the high. I see you short.
Whenever the market's dead, I just switch over there
Now
and
you're watching
try to scalp me back a
Apex.
few points.
Wow. You're watching the Apex on the sim, the EA, what do you want to call it there? The bot.
We have a lot of lows from 7:30 to 9:30, yeah? All those 4 cycles are like right on each other. Till Asia
Maybe
sell
I don't
side, it looks
understand the
clean.
comment. Well, Omnius, if I can have tacos, we'll have to eat cardboard. Are you saying the tacos are cardboard? Am I reading that wrong? Could go either way.
Looks like one of those days
What the fuck is
that
the
whatever the
ATR on the
candles are
1
gonna do,
minute?
the next candle's gonna
45?
be opposite.
Mm. That's a high ATR 45 again.
Yep, insane.
These are
Oh,
like record ATRs, man.
if I can't have the tacos, then I'll eat the cardboard. Gotcha.
Did you see they're making a new contract size
No.
under micro? It's called e-nano. It's 1/10 of
No, really?
micro. Yeah, for real.
Wow.
That's what we need. I've been saying that for a while with the
It's
It's like
called
market
20
nowadays.
cents.
it's called e-nano. Yeah, exactly that. It's 20 cents. You got it. Indeed.
Problem is, how bad would they get you on the commissions?
Yeah. 50 cents.
Well, no, because you do it on days that it's the average range, like you said, is like 50 to 100 points. It won't hurt that bad. If it's smaller
Yeah,
than
but
that and the
when
commission's too
minis,
high, you're supposed to go to micros.
when the micros first came out, the commission was about the same as the minis, so it took a while for the commissions to go down. Everyone was like, "Why the hell would I trade this? Look at the commissions."
Yeah, it doesn't make
Some
sense for
places they're
the
Good.
still high.
commission.
Some places like 3 micros is the commission of a mini. We're spoiled with these low commissions. Didn't have that long ago. Well, it wasn't that long ago. Mike, what about 6, 7 years ago? I think commissions were like $15 a trade.
That's a lot.
You know, they were crazy for in the old days.
Oh yeah, they
But
were a lot. Yeah, that was people thought that was great. They used to brag about it. I remember what
uh,
was it, E Trade or something like
it
was
was
it E Trade
normal. You were used
like
to
E
it.
Trade 14.95 per
Yeah.
trade or something like they were bragging about that. I think that was stocks, futures, pretty much everything was like $14, $15. Fish and slot, how's it going, my friend? How's the trading day treating you? Target field.
Okay, I'm going to try something. I'm going to use an ATM strategy stop. Single shot.
Mike, the wife says, I want to say something really sexy in your ear. What should I say?
60.
Just whisper, target field.
Target field.
Target field.
Got 2 weeks from going back in. Going back in where?
Stop
To the
field.
markets.
Got 2 weeks from going back in. Took a small vacation. Oh, going back to work? Ooh, I like vacation. Maybe I need to take a vacation.
Hey, Sparky, not now.
I heard a little
Sparky
kitty.
wants to eat cookies.
You know you got a good job when you go on vacation and you can't wait to get back. Going back to funded
Yo, what are
accounts.
these candles?
That was another death candle, wasn't it?
It flickered and dropped like on MNQ. It hit like how many points was that? 41 till 85. It was like 65 points on MNQ.
Yeah, 65 points.
Yeah, that was 10 o'clock news.
So
There's no news,
I don't even
no?
think that was news.
I don't even think
That's
there's
the
news.
third one. That's the third one today. We had that one, 10 o'clock. We had
Yeah, we have ISM services, but it's
9:51.
orange folder. It's not supposed to
and
move.
then we had 9:37. That's the third one today. I don't even know if it would have hit. I don't even know if a stop loss would have worked. I could have just went right through stop losses.
It's okay, next
Wouldn't be
candle's gonna
trading
be
no
green. We're
personal
gonna go
accounts
right back
today,
up
I'll
now.
tell you that.
Here comes a green candle.
I see movement like that. I shut the personal accounts down. You gotta go.
It's crazy. Yes, at all-time highs, and then Q still has like I think 1,000 points to go.
This is like going back to the funded account. Sweet.
Yeah, actually 1,000 points.
I don't think I'm trading my master account today. I'm just going to let it go. Leave it for today. Coming to previous day's high.
What time frame are y'all on? Fishing
The
slot.
wrong
I'm on a
one.
1 minute
The
chart.
wrong one.
The
And a
wrong
1 minute
one.
chart. For some reason, I'm watching the same chart twice. It's like dual vision. Because I got the 1 minute chart on this screen, but I want it on that screen. So I don't know. I'm just rocking two 1 minute charts. Exactly the same. Mike, what time frame you on?
1,000 volume, hiking SG.
No, I got the 2600, but I'm gonna stick with the 1 minute. Alex, what you on?
1 minute.
1 minute. In the background, over here, I have a 15 and a 5 minute. They're just kind of reference. I don't barely even look at them. And if you look to the side over here, you see some delta charts. I like my delta charts.
Yeah, I like the delta charts too a lot. I think everyone should use them as a reference.
So many times they tell the story behind the candle. The candle's not even telling. Small break. Wife and me are over. Relationship wish. Wise, I guess. And I just moved 4 months ago from Florida to Indiana. Anyone would be stressed. Yeah, anyone would be stressed. Moving, new environment, new place, new job.
Efficient cash flow.
Then, if I remember, you said y'all went there to take care of the mother-in-law. That's pretty stressful too. Knew everything. Yeah, that is definitely stressful.
I think we're gonna go back up. 10 a.m. doesn't even have a wick on the open. Find the log.
I'm developing a team with the people that have traded the millionaires from the convenience stores and different people.
Pain in the
Start funded
arse.
accounts next month. Is that a team of millionaires?
Yeah, I was going to say, don't ask me to translate that message. I didn't get it.
What message?
That one.
The millionaires?
Yeah.
You saying it's putting
I'm
together?
developing a team with the people that have traded the millionaires. You've traded the millionaires from the convenience store.
From a TV show.
Not sure.
That's the problem with text. You don't really get the proper story.
I don't know what traded the millionaires from the convenience store means. Convenience
I
store
think
is
you're saying they're putting
7-Eleven.
together like a trading team.
At the convenience store.
Well, maybe they're from the convenience store. Maybe it's people that own the convenience store. I don't know. It's going to be fun. I think they're starting a trading team. What the hell's No Skills trying to say? Giving out debit cards or something? Pie in the hole? Damn, I was terrible at charades. Mike, you good at charades?
Nah, it wasn't a game for me.
David's busy in the AM session on Wednesday.
Sorry, I'm doing text to talk. And I'm not getting everything. I'm actually at the gym. Is it just me or did text to talk get dumber?
I don't know. I don't do text to
Yeah.
talk.
I feel like years ago I would use text to talk and it was like so freaking accurate. And now I try to use it and everything's wrong. I wind up turning it off. I'm like, I might as well just, if I have to stop every 2 seconds to retype the word, I might as well just type the whole damn thing. I think it's because my phone used to have like a
You
Samsung
again?
messaging app. I think they went to Google instead, and I think Google's just retarded.
Meow. Meow.
Meow.
There you go, meow. It was a big mess. Suivant. Hello, villain. Villain Dylan the villain.
Any news on that cat you guys gave away?
Megan got a photo.
Yeah.
Gonna be here with y'all and gonna have them come inside the group as well. So yeah, she's starting some trading groups, Mike. Bring them by now and then, hang out. Once I start everything, one guy is a trillionaire. He has a whole bunch of books. No skills. What you selling, man? Yeah, that text to speech, man, it got retarded.
Mm.
It used to work so good, and now I don't know. It never seems to work. Then it's always changing the words. It's like, look, if I wanted to say that, I would have said that. Why can't you just put in what I told you to say? How would I be able to participate in being live in one of y'all streams? I might be able to manage that, arrange that. We bring people on every now and then. Maybe next month we'll set something up. Bring you on for a little bit.
Yeah, sure.
We like to get people come on, give a little bit of perspective, tell us a little bit about what's going on in the world.
Come on.
Dumpy. I don't want it. Too much saying long, too much saying short. You know what that means, Mike?
No.
Time for me to go refill my drink. I'll be back.
It's crazy that candle finished green.
Mm.
Told you 10 a.m. doesn't have a wick yet.
This guy's
10
saying that
a.m.
Alex
On what
stream is
time
in his
frame?
underwear.
On the hourly doesn't have its upper wick.
Mm.
It's
Alex,
rare we
Trade
keep
Never
those
After wants
unfilled.
to know if you stream in your underwear.
Me no.
Trade Never After, he says that's only on OnlyFans.
Only on
You
the
gotta go to his
OF page.
OnlyFans.
Me and Omni do some content on there.
Mm-hmm.
Eating tacos. Taco Tuesday.
We eat tacos. You can subscribe for $100 and watch us eat tacos. That's a good idea, though. And we have to have people send us tacos. I like it already. And pizza. I like it.
Wow, it's tough trading.
Yeah, it's just pretty dirty.
Yep. Give me a sec. I think the cat just had an accident.
What does that mean?
The gate, I think he tried to jump over it. Hold on.
Omnius, how many trades you take a day? Out of curiosity. Oh, everybody's gone. Chat, I'm the only one here. Come to my channel. Come to my channel. Everybody's gone on a pee break or a coffee break. Chad, I'm still going to be looking for longs. We still have 2 daily highs that are above us. We have one on NQ at 30.77 and at 30.94, and 10 a.m. still doesn't have that opening wick up. So preferably, I'd be looking for longs.
Oh, Lord.
Dun, 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 dun.
Fast market.
Dun, 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 dun.
It's a fast market. I think I should just take my $143 loss in my master account and be glad it's not worse than that.
You realize every single big red candle? What is this? 3?
Fuck, you're just not letting me get ahead.
Mike, when are you gonna buy me a new office chair?
So,
Order filled.
Soon?
I went short.
Going short. Pro Style Neo, how's it going, my friend? Danny, good morning. Did we ever create that M pattern or head and shoulders on the 1 hour? No? Pushed above it? Just me or this just sideways?
Yeah, it is completely sideways.
I don't like it. What type of trader are you? Mike, what type of trader are you?
stupid one.
Alex, what type of trader are you?
A decent one.
Sell it, you fucker.
I don't understand the question.
Are we both in a short?
Fuck.
You mean like a day trader or a swing trader? Or like what style of trader? Do you trade confluence or something else? I like confluence. I like the more things you can stack in your favor.
Can we get any continuation to the downside, please? Holy shit.
This is barcode stuff here. I'm more of a trend trader. I look for a nice trend, look for a pullback, continuation. Alex, I think you're more of what ICT trader.
Yep.
There you go, Alex. Getting
I
a dump.
gotta move my stop to break even anyways due to my rules.
Ooh, a nice delta dump. You see some follow through here.
Nice hold there, Alex.
I have no choice.
Do it. Do it. Dump it.
No.
To me, there's no real.
Well,
There's no
fuck.
real trend.
You got like
Dump.
7,000 points and you didn't take anything?
I'm not a 1-to-1. Mike, stop telling me my
I'm
stuff
just asking. I'm not telling.
Hula 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 hula. Hula 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 hula.
At least let them
Wolf-
get out the trade first.
Wolf banner, wolf banner.
The good thing is we get the different perspectives of the market. Stanley, what type of trader are you? You like trend trading? Mean reversion? Support and resistance?
Bro, there's no follow through for me, man.
Would point out we got the VWAP below us. I don't know if you look at the VWAP. Danny, ICT. ICT trader.
Breaking below the previous day's high, so we should see some movement now down. Actually, I like what I sing now.
Order filled.
To me, ICT is everything else. So just call it ICT.
Order filled.
Whatever, I'll take it here. Give me something.
Before that, it was called smart money concepts. And before that, it was called price action.
Didn't break the red.
I want to hold till till midnight, but don't have the balls to wait.
Till midnight. I don't get it.
Large dump.
Midnight opening price is right under equal lows at 889. But I don't like when we have big wicks, like the candle at 10:02 has a decent wick. Could be used as a rejection block, and we have a 830 opening price there too, so screw it. It's gonna go though, made equal lows on MNQ. It's gonna go a little bit lower, I find.
You're still on the 1 minute chart?
Yeah, no, I got out of my full position though. But yeah, 1 minute. So I could update the score.
I don't see the equal lows.
No, they were just taken. It was formed for 10:22 and 10:03. If only I would have held till midnight, huh, Mike? Like it's right under. It's right here. So many cycle lows too.
Gold is ripping today, 4%.
Wow.
Dang. What happened to my gold chart? I always forget the gold ticker. Mike, what's the gold ticker again?
MGC.
At least I got the letters right, just not the right order.
Thank you, TEA. Like it's not even hitting. We have a huge SMT though between ESN and Q here too. Bullish.
Gold
Yeah, my
kinda
trade was a bit
moving.
of a risky trade. Such in a bullish environment, the only thing that I had going for me was an SMT into a bearish for a value gap.
You took a gold trade?
No, I took an NQ.
Now I was looking at somebody pointed out gold 4% on the day.
What's it at? 4,700.
I thought I was gonna get
Says-
stopped, by the way. The 1018 candle came up so strong and we
Yeah.
bounced off the current 30-minute cycle 50%. So I said, oh shit, if it runs, it has to go. And I said coming up, I'm like, that's not nice to see at all.
Gold did break a trend line on the 4-hour chart. Get a little pullback. Could be a nice opportunity to jump in heavy on some gold. Skeletor. Let's go on, my friend. I don't know why, but every time I look at a gold chart, it just looks easy.
Gold, I find gold looks like ass.
Really?
Yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of gold. What's the gold chart you're looking at? I'm gonna pull it up.
MGC.
What time
Look
frame?
at the 4-hour chart. It's just like bounces perfectly off the moving averages.
I need coffee. My nerves aren't shaking enough.
Might have to start swinging gold.
Gold
or
is more
something.
manipulated though than futures. Gold has a lot of wicks here. Let me check.
Of course, that's a 4-hour chart. I mean, what's the hourly look like? Man, we got this beautiful trend line break.
Yeah, it looks cleaner than when I looked at it.
Yeah, look at the 4-hour, the 240.
When does volume come in on gold?
I don't know.
I think I already
Honestly,
Googled it and I think they said 8 to 12 a.m. Eastern
I've,
time. Here, I'll give you the time zone. I know we're all in different time zones.
I've
8 to
never traded gold.
They said 8 to 12. I think that's the most.
I'm the type of person I find something I like and I stay with it. But I don't know. Maybe I need to start swinging gold. I need to find if there's a gold ETF. Maybe start swinging gold ETF. But I'm looking at this 4-hour chart and I'm just saying if there's a nice pullback right here, be a great time to start loading up. Come down to the 4180. Load the boat. Gold's high was 56.27. 31% move to get back to the high. I would like to add some gold to my portfolio. Looks like a great time to do it.
I've been looking into ETFs actually recently.
Do you only trade NQ? I only day trade NQ. Yes, actually MNQ. Sometimes NQ, but not that often anymore with the swings. I swing trade and invest in stocks, ETFs, day trade NQ. I feel like, or MNQ. I feel like MNQ or NQ, whichever you like. I feel like it's just all around a great instrument. Alex, can you even remember the last dole day?
The last what?
The last dole day on NQ.
No.
Like nothing happened, no movement. There's always something, always movement, always something keeping you on the edge of your seat with NQ. Hell, the market might be so crazy nowadays, might be able to go to ES. ES might be the new NQ. I don't know.
It's funny, most of us only trade NQ.
I think it's great that I can show up every day and I
Like,
have
sorry,
an instrument right in front of me, and that's all I have to look at.
I trade on MNQ, but all my trades have to happen on NQ. As weird as it sounds.
You mean charting?
Yeah, like the trade itself has to happen for me on NQ.
Yeah, maybe you mentioned that before.
Like if my setup happens on MNQ and doesn't happen on NQ, I won't even take it.
Which is funny because even if I trade NQ, it's going to be on the MNQ chart. I've always liked the MNQ chart better.
I know. MNQ, you get the wick out.
Yeah.
MNQ has more of those wicks that take out internal sometimes. Those like flash. It's like when you get those flash candles, the wick is always a little bit, well, not always, but we'll say 90% of the time larger on MNQ. Like I put my stop on MNQ, and there's like just in the last 2 months, we'll say I got stopped out on like 2-3 trades when they should have been break even because NQ never took out that internal, but MNQ did. And I don't trade that often, so for me, an extra 3-4 trades like that is rough.
Yeah, but to me, see, I look at it almost the same way, but different. Because to me, a lot of the scalp trades where NQ would stop, the MNQ will give you that couple extra ticks or a point, to where a lot of times the take profit you might miss on NQ.
Yeah, you see, it comes down to your strategy. For you, it's more beneficial.
Mm-hmm.
You got it, boss.
Also, I'm just so used to watching it. I don't know.
Yeah, but when I backtest, you can't even backtest MNQ. You can only go back.
Why?
You can only go back a year. Is that it? A year? Not even a year. There's like a certain there's an amount of a period that you can go back past. The only time you on TradingView I can only backtest NQ1. Like to go back far, it's NQ1. Like even if you use Forex Replay, for example, to backtest, they only offer NQ1.
Well, I mean, if you're going back an entire year,
Yeah, I
I do
went back a
think that
couple of
the
years.
small difference isn't big enough to.
I did 6 months in different years.
Oh yeah. Problem is the market's a lot different than it was a year ago, or the year before that, or the year before that.
The third one made money.
I mean, 2-3 years ago, summer was completely dead. Everybody was crying there wasn't no movement.
Yeah.
Now we've been having this huge movement all summer. I don't know, Mike trades gold sometimes.
Yeah, I stopped though for a while now.
Every now and then we get people that come through that are like diehard gold traders. Maybe I'll have to start doing some gold trading. Tell you what, I'll take the first step. Mike, how do I set up a gold chart?
I'll take the first step.
I don't know what you mean.
Like you don't have to worry about climbing mountains in one day. Just take the first step. what I could do. Set up a 1 minute. I've been on M&Q for so long, I don't even know how to add an instrument. Macros. Macros? Fuck is it?
How do you open a new chart? Well, how I do it is I just click on another chart and I right click on the bottom. If you, well, wait a minute. Are we talking about Ninja Trader?
I already did that. How do I
And
bring
then
up gold?
just change the instrument. Go into the instrument in the top left corner and type in MGC space. I'm not sure what it is. MGC 1226. Wow, it's December, the contract. That's strange.
Is it a slash or a dash?
MGC space 12 minus 26.
I don't see it.
Just type
MGC.
it in.
I did. But I
You
don't
don't
see it
have
on
to,
the
you don't
list.
have to see it. You just type it in the top corner. MGC minus space 12 minus 26. Hit enter.
Okay, I got it.
Yo, these moves are crazy. You realize, Mike, I hit my target, but it would have came back to tap me break even. That's insane. 901, I came all the way back to 990 before going back down.
So is this right? It's moved almost 4% on the day, and it's still at a 5 ATR.
We're at break even though. We're at midnight open again.
How can we be at a 5 ATR if it's moved 4%?
Because it moved 2% up, 2% down, so the range is 4%.
That's like straight up.
Well, they
This is
calculate the
why I
day
don't
by
trade other instruments.
by midnight.
Then you get all the questions like, why is this like this? Why is this like I just want to show up and know everything. All right, took the first step. Best I could do for now. That was weird. I took a trade and it took me like 5 seconds to get into the trade. But then when I got into the trade, I was like $80 in profit.
You're with Rhythmic?
This damn trade of 8. I don't seem to ever have that issue with Rhythmic. I mean, I'm glad on this trade it worked out where I was in profit. I just killed it immediately. I was like, if I just got in the trade, I'm already $80 in profit. Just take the money and run.
Take the money and run, Jack.
I just don't understand how you get such like delayed fills. What I also don't understand is all those people that always complain about Rhythmic. Where are those people on all these shitty fills? Maybe they're not scalpers, so it don't bother them as much.
Yeah, I don't know if you remember my story with the prop firm. I won't say the name, whatever, though. But the fills were like instant. You know, it was like butter. You just press the button at any time of the day. It doesn't matter what. You press the button, before your click was finished, you were in.
I mean, I feel like that's an important part of trading, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Like I'm taking the trade now. How the hell can I plan a trade that I plan on getting in 5 seconds later? Mike, this candle's going to close in 5 seconds. Enter the trade. You know what I mean? And what really aggravates me is they use CQG, and that's the same data that I use with AMP futures. And that whole excuse of that's how the market, the real market is bullshit. They're lying to people. Wonder how much better prop traders would do if we just bought our own data.
Yep, but is it just the data or is it the platform also?
No, it's got to be the prop data. You can't tell me that people like large companies use NinjaTrader. You can't tell me that those companies are having these same issues.
I'm curious now. You said you had great orders. What company was it? You can't say?
DTTW. You know, you were with me there for a while.
DTTW. What?
Yeah.
I have no idea.
They trade the world. Remember, they trade the world?
I do. Holy shit, that's a long time ago.
Yeah. You're not so young, eh? You're not as young as you
Bro,
thought you were.
not at all.
Uh,
Holy moly, am I young? Am I old? That's
Like if
insane.
Tradovate uses CQG and I pay for CQG, how can I use my own data but with Tradovate?
I don't know, but I'm disconnecting from Bullinox. Bullinox. I'm not here today.
So don't do stupid on Bullinox.
Huh?
I said don't do stupid on Bullinox.
That's why I'm closing it. I passed 56.
No way.
Yeah.
Nice.
Goodbye.
You're so crazy.
Do you want to? Yes. Yeah, I wanted to get over 56. No more Bullinox.
No more. That's it.
For
No
today.
more. Stop it.
This is tough for people to trade. I'm sorry. I'm sure a lot of damage is being done today. It's very fast. It's like there's air pocket. There's turbulence. Let's call it turbulence. There's market turbulence.
Yeah, it's those death candles.
And if I double it?
What?
What if we make that a 4? And we make that a 60.
Where do I even put a take profit on gold? Can I do 100 ticks?
You know I can wait for you.
100 ticks might be a bit much. Mike, how much is a point in gold? MGC.
A point or a tick? A point is $10.
It's crazy. Mike knows all
$10.
this shit, huh? He's knowledgeable. Huh, Big Mike?
Big Mike. Yeah, tick is a tick. A tick is 10 cents.
Yeah, I got 2 points. I could probably hold it, but for my first trade, we'll just leave it there. Hey, forget about it. Would love to take this short on NQ, but we have the Globex open and 5-minute moving average right there.
You know I can waiting for you.
I feel like if you
You
were
know what I hate
trading
about
gold,
Ninja Trader?
What you hate?
I feel like if you were trading gold today, you'd be making a lot of money.
Hmm.
What do
Who
you hate
is
about
the
Ninja Trader?
Who was the genius that come up with the idea that the losing trades would be dark red on dark black on black?
What?
Like I basically have the dark red on black. Like it's
I
almost
don't know.
invisible. The red numbers, they're almost invisible.
You talking about the dashboard?
Yeah, they could have used a brighter red, maybe a little more pink, add some pink to it or something, just something that'll illuminate it a little bit more.
I never thought it was hard to see.
Really? It's like someone turned the lights off.
Maybe because you got it so small.
Well, I need screen space. I can't make it the size of the Olympic Stadium.
I never
Yeah,
looked at it
really?
and said
Never
that was
bothered you?
hard to see.
Yeah, no, I find it terribly hard to see. I tried to change it, but you can't. Wish you can go into the code and change it.
Then again, I don't really look at the profit and loss that much. You know that.
Mm. Hey, Bears.
I'm on the strategies tab all the time. I try to take the money out of trading.
How's it going today? You trading cautiously and carefully like we all should be? Or
Bear,
have we
how's it going?
have we thrown caution to the wind like we all did? Or like many of us did.
I don't know. I think it's been a decent day.
It has been a decent day. It's just hard to hold. It was a shit show. Yeah, it's a horse that's bucking strongly. That's my analysis. And it's hard to get out because it goes so quickly to your target, like within a microsecond. It hits your target and comes and goes back down. And then you say, "Fuck, I want to get out." Well, especially me. I'm a manual trader. I don't put in stops or targets. And then sometimes it doesn't go back. It reverses direction.
That's why I like to have my stuff on the chart. Alex, do you have
Yeah.
your TP and stop loss on the chart?
Yeah. For people to see, yeah, if I switch to MNQ. If not, no.
No, what he means
No,
is
I mean,
to
I don't care if
autofill the
people see it. I
orders.
mean,
Yeah.
do you have the orders there if the market hits it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you put them in. You put your orders in.
Mm-hmm.
For me, I don't really care so much. People see the trade. People should be taking their own trades. And I like to show some of them, but the hardest part is having 10, 12 different accounts and having two charts on the same one at the same time. Like, wait, hold on, don't take this trade yet. I have to go over here and change all these charts up and come back. Then I gotta take the trade. Like, fuck all that.
It was a shit show. That's a good expression. I like it. I should get that as a shirt. 1, 2, 3.
I think I tried to stick to the rules pretty good today. I think so far it's worked out. What really gets me is I have a chart that tells me basically exactly what to do.
Mm-hmm.
Really, all I've got to do is just do what it tells me to do.
Well, that's what I was trying to do today.
My fault, TA. I apologize.
It was too fast.
Yeah, it is. It's insane how fast we're moving. Up and down and up and down and left and right. The wicks are pretty big too. We're getting big, large wicks.
What time is it? What day is it?
What month is it? Already? What the freaking front door? Mike, you know this damn thing's lying. It says it's the 8th month of the year. You believe that shit?
No.
You know you was lying. It was just Christmas.
And it's soon gonna be Christmas.
Mike, we are closer to Christmas future than past.
Yep. That was 5 weeks ago.
Oh man, late on trade. Who did this? What? Who changed my contract size? Oh my! This is why I can't trade different instruments.
I got the T-shirt. Yeah.
I need my things to be the same every time. I want to show up. I want everything the same. Give me 25 points.
I like that. The market was a shit show, but at least I got this T-shirt.
You know
I might have to get rid of this gold chart.
All right, what do we
It's
have
distracting. You can't do too many things at one time. That's
yeah, because
the problem.
ATM's set up for NQ. Then I go over there. Okay, do I want one contract? Do I want three? And I go back to NQ. Now I'm on the wrong amount of contracts. I'm on the wrong stuff. The greatest thing about futures is you can just pick one and that can be your sole chart and not have to worry about anything else in day trading. The moment I heard that, I was sold. Like, wait, I don't have to wake up and go through a scanner every morning and all this other shit to find out what stock I want to trade. All I gotta do is show up. I got a chart that basically tells me what to do. All I gotta do is press the button.
Yeah, it's been a very tough morning. It's kind of been like a up and down consolidation, and now again we look like we're in a tight consolidation.
I mean, it's tight spreads, basically quarter 50, but it doesn't look like it. Looks like we're popping like 2 points at a time.
Yeah, we're at a 35 ATR.
ATR is big, the wicks are big, the moves are very fast up and down. This is probably hurting a lot of people.
Yep. Look at that. Rumor has it.
Viral? How's it going? You going viral? Mike, do you think viral's going viral?
Rumor viral. Was it viral quotidien? The daily viral?
The rumor has it.
Guys, make sure y'all vote in the poll.
Okay. You don't have to rub
don't
it
wanna-
in. You won. You won. I conceded. I told you we're not going to wait for the mail-in ballots.
What do you mean? On your thing, you were good, I think, Mike.
Yeah, but he won overall if you add up the two. Besides, I'm down to 47%. My lead is thinning out there.
Haha.
And
I'm down to 57.
he's
I'm
at
trying to get it back up to
57.
59.
Combined, I am 40, 50, 60. I'm 71. And combined, he is 89.
Guys, I don't want to tell y'all which way to vote, but doesn't tacos sound really good? Oh, man. you
Better
get
than
that
a breakfast
crunch.
at McDonald's. Better than an Egg McMuffin and a hash browns.
Oh, man, you get that crunch and that
Crunch,
meaty
dude,
sauce
crunch.
with the taco seasoning.
You don't get the crunch. They wrap it in aluminum foil, and by the time you bring it home, the humidity made it a big soggy shell.
Oh, you're talking about Taco Bell. I'm talking about real tacos. You get that nice crunch, the meatiness. Oh, man, the flavor. Tacos, man. Everybody loves tacos.
It's a rumor.
Tacos, yeah. I love
Yeah,
tacos.
everyone does love tacos, but everyone loves McDonald's.
To be honest, I
Look,
think more
when I-
people love tacos than McDonald's because you don't hear people say, "Ah, tacos is bad for your health. It's garbage food. I don't eat that shit." But McD's, I've heard a lot of people say, "Ah, McDonald's, all that fake shit. I'm not even touching that anymore."
plus tacos, you have Taco Tuesday. Like nobody says McDonald Wednesdays.
Taco
saying.
Tuesdays.
Speak for yourself. We have We have McDonald Monday.
No, we don't.
Mickey Monday.
Mickey Monday.
Mickey Monday, Taco Tuesday.
What?
What do you
What?
mean buy when it goes up and sell when it goes down? Easy. Here's what you do for the beginners. You get your box. You draw the box from the top of your screen to the current price. Just like that. Then you get you another box. You draw it from the bottom of your screen to the current price. Now, if the box on the top is bigger than the box on the bottom, you are looking for sales. And if the box on the bottom is bigger than the box on the top, you're looking for buys. And I don't know why, but I just made all that shit up. So I hope y'all weren't really thought I was serious.
Hope y'all weren't paying attention.
That'll be the one time somebody's paying attention.
What the fuck did he say? Is that German?
He's German.
Pretty sure I've said it a bunch of times.
You know I can't wait for you.
No. How do we know if it's going up or down, guys? I use see these green lines and red lines here? That is a 50 EMA band. If it's below the band on the 2-minute chart, this is the 1 minute. This is the 2 minute. If it's below the bands, I'm looking for shorts. If it's above the bands, looking for longs. If you want to play with your boxes, you can go right there. Draw a box. Go right there. Draw another box.
Good morning, Kathleen.
Paint this box green. That's the wrong box.
Wow, this is actually a
painted the
crazy
wrong
market,
box.
man.
Paint that box green. Paint this box red. There you go. Could you have made money going long here? Could you have made money going short there? That's all I care about.
Hey, did
Now,
you
if
guys
we
see
switch-
Palantir stock up like 30% yesterday or something?
That's crazy.
Yeah, they're still they grew so much in the last 5 years, and yesterday they realized that earnings are still growing over 90% year over year.
crazy.
Yeah, Omnius. Don't you remember the Palantir move yesterday? I said I think we're going up. I'm pretty sure. No,
Bro,
I
do you
said
realize I had Palantir at $20 and I had 8K USD inside?
And
And
what's it at now?
it's over 160.
Yeah,
I
but
was No Skills the other day was talking about buying a bunch of Palantir.
it
Bro.
suffered for a while.
Yeah, it did suffer. I was down for a year and a half, 2 years, but I really liked Alex Karp. I'm like, bro, this guy looks like Tony Stark, like a visionary, like Elon Musk, you know?
Yeah.
So I held it for over a year and a half down on my position, and then it came back up to 25, 26, $27. I moved it to break even, and then it came, tapped me for break even, and it never tapped for that price ever since that day.
Crazy.
Yeah. Anyways, I wouldn't have held it till 160. I would have probably seen 40, 50, $60 and grabbed it.
Yeah.
But yeah, insane.
I remember No Skills was telling me to buy Palantir. I looked at the PE, it was like 150 or something, and I was like, nope.
It's a
No
great
fucking way.
company, though. Great company, and I really like the CEO. I remember I was so into Palantir in like 2020, 2021.
And then No Skills said, I think he said Tesla was the same way, and I said, yep, I didn't buy that either.
Tesla was the most shorted company, I think, for a while. Everyone was shorting Tesla, every bank. Everyone was going against Elon Musk.
Yeah, because they had like a 300 PE.
No, but even before, when the company was like just trying to make it out, you know? Like barely anything. This is before Tesla even hit popularity, because every single EV company that came out before Tesla just went to shit. So they think Tesla would be the exact same way, you know? So everyone was just kept shorting Tesla. Do, 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 do. Why are you laughing?
AD
homie?
said, damn, I was doing it all wrong until now. Thanks, Omnius.
Why are you laughing, homie?
What was the
I think that comment was about my boxes.
What was the what, Mike?
the first EV company that did so well?
None.
No, but then it crashed. But like E-Victor, or what was the name
It
of
wasn't one, it was all of them. The only one
the first one. I think Justin was in it.
A bunch of them did great.
No, they all did
Was
good
it
at the same
GMC
time. It
had
was
No,
Nio.
no, before that.
Go
What
watch.
was it?
There's a movie, What Happened to the Electric Car or something. I think it was called. Go watch that. Chevy had a.
I think they were the
What
first
EVs out in
ones.
like the 60s or the
XPEV.
70s.
Was it
and
XPEV?
they were like,
No,
the cars did great.
Workhorse.
They lasted forever.
XPEV, Nio.
no. Maybe
Chevy
Nio, maybe
canceled
Neo.
the
I don't know.
cars and recalled them all.
But there was a lot of them. All the EV, remember during COVID, they were just all shooting up like crazy.
Shit. You won't remember, Alex, but Omnius, they used to make all those EV cars, and they made them so ugly in the old days. That was the problem.
EVs have been around for like 100 years, right?
They made them so disgustingly ugly. Like you never wanted to have one.
Let me see if I can find the Chevy one or GMC from the 70s. It wasn't that bad. They had
And then there was like a red one, race.
that
What was
electric.
it? Oh my god, Mike, there were so many of them, I remember.
I think it was
XPEV,
Neo.
Nio, there was Polestar. Oh, it was all the Chinese EV ones. But no, Justin, that story, it was NAC. It was a gold mining thing.
Yeah.
And then Biden got was it Biden?
Biden.
Yeah, Biden got elected. It went to complete crap. And
whoop, 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 whoop. Good morning, Disturbed.
And then he got liquidated. He got liquidated because he forgot to pay TD. The like Wealthsimple will say it's like $4 a month. He kept getting the emails and he didn't even check his TD investing app for 6 months. But if you don't pay for like 3 to 6 months or whatever, they just liquidate your positions.
Okay.
So they liquidated his position, and then when Trump got elected, he went to go look because NAC shot up in a day like 100%. He's like, "Where's my position?" And it was liquidated. Oh, poor guy.
You've been liquidated.
You've been liquidated.
I am disturbed.
They had an EV car in the 70s. did 0 to 50 in 7 seconds, which was pretty fast back then. 80-mile range, and a lot of people loved it. They recalled it, told everybody to turn them back in, destroyed them all, and the people that didn't still have theirs.
Wait, what are you talking about?
Electric cars. I think it was it Chevy or GMC made that one back in the 70s and did really well, but then they just like almost did too well, and they were like, "Oh, everybody turn your cars back in. We gotta destroy them." Oh, they made a movie about it. It's called Whatever Happened to the Electric Car or something.
I can't get a word in.
Viva ask the questions, Lewis.
Now that I'm ready to talk. I am disturbed. Type in !, floor or ! omnius. Enter the giveaway game. The giveaway games.
What is that?
The games, plural.
I kept hearing.
Yeah, it was me.
Little bumblebee.
The bumblebee.
Lewis, how's it going, man? Lewis.
Really?
What?
I don't like trading anymore.
Me neither.
I'm tired of coming down and battling the market every day. It's like every day you're a warrior, and they wake you up, they throw you some eggs, and then they throw you a sword and some shielding, and they say, go out and battle. Go out into the
You get shield?
Battle. I get shields, yeah.
You get a shield?
I've been doing it for a long time. I get a shield.
Every day the Bulls and the Bears are fighting.
You get the fancy upgrades. I just get a dagger. They throw me out in my underwear and a dagger.
Yeah, well, I'm older. They think I need it.
In a lion pit.
Yeah, that's what it feels like. I swear to God,
Out there in underwear with a dagger standing between a bull and a bear fighting. Lewis, how's the day been treating you?
You know I can't wait for you.
I just can only imagine the algo making the big bags lag when they code the. They don't. There's no such thing.
Well, I thought Mike was talking to us, and he just was having a midlife, like a stroke.
I was reading.
I wanted to let you know,
that hocus pocus conspiracy theory, like there's
some. I try to read people's names when I read it.
Like this, like it's the Wizard of Oz or something, behind the curtain. Markets are markets.
They're such liars. They see stop hunts though. It's not that they see stop hunts. They're like stop hunts, like where people have their stops in play. They for sure see that the big money. You think there's no corruption in the markets? Like zero, really?
There is, but there isn't some
that big. You think they're going after all our small orders?
No, not our small, but most of our orders would also be with the bigger orders. It's all previous day high, previous day low, session highs and session lows. Everybody like looks at that. If you're small or big, most of the smart money look at that thing. Look at those things for pools of liquidity, especially banks.
Almost like they trained us to put our orders right where they want to take them.
No, because most of them do it as well. I'm just saying there is some manipulation involved. Inconsistencies.
I don't know, Martin. I disagree with that.
I don't know. Technically, at the end of the day, it's just inconsistencies. The markets are supposed to be efficient.
I think the big boys are playing a different game than we're playing.
Yeah, they are.
I think they're front running our orders, and they're doing the kind of trading that a prop firm doesn't want you to trade, but you couldn't do it anyways.
Yeah, you can't do it. They could.
Yeah, well, these guys, they move into the building just to save a millionth of a second.
Yeah.
They know where people are in pain, so they know how many people are short, how many are long, how many are in profit, how many are out of profit.
I think it's all inefficiencies. You make money based on inefficiencies because markets are supposed to be efficient, especially futures, So whatever math formula they have, whatever type of computer and bot they have running, they probably just collect pennies on the dollar every time there's little inefficiencies in price. and they're good at it.
Yeah, well, I was just saying there isn't some cabal that sits together and
No, there's no cabal.
came together with some master algorithm and share it among themselves, and they're all doing the same thing.
The only
It's a
cabal is
fucking-
Level 2 data. You can see the orders right above it. They're normally about 5 points above price and 5 points below.
you can
You'll
see
see how
orders,
they
but you
just
can't see
buy and
Trump's tweet coming in.
Yeah,
Besides, you'd have to be AI to process that kind of data at that speed.
You can see how they just buy and sell 5 points over and over.
Like you said, there's a reason why they don't allow high frequency trading, you know?
The up guy, no applause. What's the applause? What are we talking about?
Is it
Lewis,
Taco
Green
Tuesday
Day,
already?
Hottest green is the past 2 days. Green Day this week.
Clozo. That was easy.
What was it?
What you want?
That long right there.
You want? You front runned it, huh? You're part of the cabal.
I got a call from the banker.
And he didn't even let us know.
Look,
You ain't my
You know
homie
it's
anymore.
somewhat corrupt. Everything's somewhat corrupt.
Mm.
I mean, look at how much they faked the lottery. You think they can fake that and they can't fake trading?
Lottery was fake?
Wasn't it? Didn't Epstein win like 3 times?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know.
Are we missing a part of the story? Maybe that's how he cleaned money. Maybe he bought 14 million tickets a week.
I'm sure, right? If somebody can manipulate,
It's a
they're
rumor.
gonna do it. It's a rumor.
It's a rumor. It's because somebody named Zorro Trust claimed 85 million Powerball jackpot in Oklahoma, and it says coincidentally Epstein used an entity trust with the same name, Zorro Trust, to purchase ranch in New Mexico. But bro, they could have watched the same movie when they were 9 years old and they both liked Zorro. It's like me. I watch my anime and I name and I name a trust in an anime name. I'm not the only person on planet Earth that thought about that idea. But look, who knows? Could be.
Mike does campouts with owls at Bohemian Grove. Mike don't even know what Bohemian Grove is.
Of course he does. I've spoken to him about it.
No, I was waiting for you to decode that message. That was
It's
like
where
the
they
one with-
it's where they say the people from government do the sacrifices, like kill children
yeah.
and drink their
How the fuck
blood
do you
and
know that?
all that crap. The Bohemian Grove. It's like a
How are
private
you
island.
watching? I gotta clean out your phone.
You're such an actor. Mike knows what that is for sure.
No.
You've never heard of Bohemian Grove, but you on Netflix at night you're watching documentaries on UFOs and Men in Black. Yeah, bro. I believe
Physics and
you.
quantum theory.
Yeah, quantum theory.
No UFOs.
No UFO.
I'm not a believer in UFOs. The distance between planets is too big.
One day somebody's gonna figure out how to bend time and space.
Requires too much energy.
Doesn't matter. Energy's infinite. Energy everywhere. Isn't that what black holes do? Or is that white holes, black holes, white holes,
No, they're saying wormholes.
wormholes?
Maybe we'll have to go into black holes and find out.
Wormholes are theoretical. I believe that we possibly are in a black hole. That would explain the Big Bang Theory.
The
Because
Big Bang.
That's what an exploding star is, a collapsing star. It explodes and collapses in on itself. So there's your Big Bang.
So we're all stars. Team up, twins.
We are. We're all stardust. Most people don't know what that means even.
Bro, if you look into the physiology and how humans are made, there's no way
crazy.
we're a coincidence.
Mike is in Skull and Bones.
Like there's just no way.
Mike, do you know what Skull and Bones is?
Of course.
What?
It's the chicken and the egg. They say, oh, there's like a 100 million shot that it was all put together this way because it's perfect. No, that's the reason why it is like that, because that's the one that was able to survive.
What are
Okay,
you
just
talking
tell
about?
me this, Mike. Tell me this. One question.
I was talking about skull and bones.
Look into the human eye and look how much DNA has to align just for you to be able to see. And tell me how big of a coincidence that landed with all the other coincidences you have on your body. Bro, it's like the number you can't even write it on a piece of on the wall. You can't even write it on the wall if you wanted to.
No, because then you can say the
We're
same
too
thing about
perfect.
you being born. Do you know how many people in the past had to meet and hook up for you to be born?
Yeah, but that's one. That's one
Well,
coincidence.
wait. Not only did they all have to hook up, the
Seems like a
particular
wide hose.
Wait,
sperm,
don't yell in your mic. Don't yell in your mic. It gives me a
the
headache.
particular sperm of the men of all these historical figures, all had to align perfectly for you to born. You're divine. No, because that's just what happened.
It's just what happened. It
Don't
just
put
happened.
meaning. Don't put meaning to it.
Okay, wait. That it's a bit illogical.
No, throw a beach of sand, a full beach of
No,
sand,
your
throw it in
thing's a
the
bit
air, and then say, "Oh
illogical.
my God, divine intervention." Do you know how
Your
many
thing's a bit
times
illogical because the first two
you
people that were born on
illogical?
planet Earth having sex, there's no
No, it's not
coincidence.
illogical. It's just
That
saying, "Oh, do you know how
everyone
many
started
things?"
from that point, you know?
No, it's like you say, "Oh, you know how many things have to align and have to be perfect?" Well, the same thing happened with you.
No, that's
I
like
won't even.
saying I got heads the 10th time I flipped a coin. And you know how many times I had to flip tails and heads before? Nah,
Not
it
even
has
close.
nothing to do with it.
It does. If you don't see it, it's not my fault.
Alex, it really gets interesting when you understand that the eyes don't actually see, that they just accept light, and that the brain programs everything.
Yeah, processes it,
Alex,
but for the brain to process it, I think you need like 3 million strands of DNA to align
Alex,
perfectly
don't
just for
listen
your
to
brain to
him.
be able to
He
interact.
he eats tacos on Tuesday.
There you go, TA, I agree. Elohim.
He eats. Yeah. How can you take serious anybody who eats tacos?
Make these are tacos. Get out of the equation, both of you.
Either way, I'm gonna.
What? Deep breaths. Deep breaths. Yeah, I gotta do an exercise.
Bro, I feel like I've been here for 4 hours. It's 11:16.
You're enjoying our
Yeah, right.
company.
It's going slow, not fast. I'm
I
enjoying
know.
the company, but
I was
time
being
is slow.
sarcastic.
No, I am enjoying the company as well, but
To be honest, serious, I'm just curious. Did you really,
what's your
really,
question?
really vote for the tacos?
Who, me?
Yeah, and tell me the truth. Don't tell me the truth when you're 40.
I never lie to you. What did I tell
Just tell
you
him
I
you
did?
voted for the McDonald's. Just tell
You
him.
said you voted for the tacos.
Okay, and do I ever lie to you? No, so there you got your answer.
Well, how would I know if you lie to me? Do I ever
I
lie to
never lie
you?
to you. You lie to me, yeah. I've caught you in some lies.
Oh, angry. I forgot about angry.
Just tell me
Let's
when's
put
the
it
last
back
time
up.
you caught me in a lie.
But I don't know. I don't write it down. I don't care.
You won't. I don't lie to you. That's my point.
Oh, what did I
I
just
don't need to lie to
do?
you. Ask me a question, you got it.
Hmm.
Okay, Mike still says that. There's nothing that I'm gonna tell him when I'm 40. He's gonna be like, "Oh shit, I knew you guys did it." I don't have anything on my mind for any of that.
Get it all off your shoulders. You ain't gotta worry about it,
It's
huh?
already all off my shoulders. Yeah, they never punished us much. I never had fear of not telling my parents.
Lewis, I voted for tacos. Sweet. I mean, it's tacos.
Bro.
Who would vote against tacos?
Lewis, did you vote for tacos out of spite?
Out of spite
Like,
for what?
Out of
is it maybe
fear.
there's some kind of futures floor derangement syndrome, just like there's Trump derangement syndrome? Maybe they didn't vote for you; it was just a vote against you. See what I'm saying?
It
Ooh,
wasn't a
Mike coming
vote
in with
for.
some theory.
It
It
wasn't a
could be.
vote for me or you. It was a vote for tacos and McDonald's.
Thou shalt not
Everybody loves
bear.
tacos.
No, no,
Everybody
no.
likes
It was
McDonald's.
the company.
Did you even see how mosquitoes are born? Bro, there's no way. We're uncreated and we're just a
Are
coincidence. It
you
makes
back on
no.
that?
I'm back on it. Did you go look how a mosquito even comes to life? You'll freak out. All these things are just too perfect.
Lewis, no, Mike. You know I don't eat McDonald's. Exactly.
Mhm.
That's what I told him. Maybe tomorrow we'll have to do. We're not doing McDonald's with Omnius. We'll have to do something else. Tacos with Mike.
To be honest, I'm very surprised we came down today.
Pizza with Omnius or tacos with Mike. There you go. Something
Mhm.
people like. People don't like McDonald's.
Yeah, some of my friends don't like McD's too. They find it's garbage. But to be honest, I love McDonald's. Have you ever had an Egg McMuffin at night with sausage? Bro, it slaps.
Oh, there's nothing better.
It's
Listen,
insane. It comes so hot and fresh.
listen to this. McDonald's got 23%. I Eat Cardboard got 20. McDonald's got
Yeah.
3% above I Eat Cardboard.
Are there more idiots or smart people in the world?
Idiots, definitely.
There you go. You got your answer why you have more tacos.
Thank you.
You
Yeah,
know
I
I
think we had
can't
a
wait for
thing of Mike
you.
derangement syndrome. It's obvious. It's obvious. You can see it.
You're so vain. You probably think they care about you.
Wow, I don't know how you guys are trading.
Uh-oh.
I'm making
You reached somebody,
insane.
Mike. You got somebody to vote for Mike.
There you go.
Now it's at 24, and I eat tacos at 19. I eat cardboard.
Hmm.
I was surprised at 20% admitted to eating cardboard.
Mike derangement syndrome. It's proven.
Don't think you're
29,
special, kid.
350. Anybody?
It's a proven thing.
29,
Don't think you're special, kid.
350. Let's zoom out. Take a look. 29, 350. Down there. We can do it. Come back, retest the support. Why not, right?
Why not?
I mean, we are up just a 10% move, so to give back, what, 3%? Makes sense. 2.5%? Makes sense to me. 10%. Actually, it was 10.5%. So to give back 2.5, yeah, makes sense to me. Snap back to the EMA. Yeah, I don't have the EMA on the chart. I got the, what's this, 50? Assume you're talking a 100 or 200, probably.
I don't feel like doing qualifiers today.
I don't feel like you love me anymore.
Huh?
It's a joke.
I don't feel like doing anything
Yeah,
today.
200's a bit down there.
I
You got
got bad
100.
news for Martin and Brendan. Don't bring that up. Don't get him started.
What happened? What was it? Bring it up. Do it.
No.
Don't fight it, Mike. Don't fight it. Just let it happen. Relax.
Yeah, I deleted it. You'll never know.
You know I can view
Gone.
deleted
It's
messages,
gone
right?
from the ether.
Uh-oh. 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 I see it, Mike. I see it.
I see
Why
it,
would
Mike.
you delete that?
Huh?
You're weird sometimes.
I am. Sometimes. And you're not? You're not weird sometimes. You're never weird. You're the only one in the world who's never weird.
Well, if you're always weird, then you're never weird, right?
More coffee.
It's the normal people that scare me.
It's the normal people that scare me.
Mike, you ain't never told a girl, I want to eat your taco?
That would have been
Ah,
that
you
would've
guys
got
Taco Tuesdays is actually tacos. Me was the version you were talking about now. That's my Taco Tuesday. Oh. See, it'd be funny if Futures Floor wasn't part of the fan. The robot doing karate on their creators. No, I didn't see. I did see a Chinese robot though do a karate spinning kick, and by accident it went too far and kicked a kid in the head.
Wow.
Oh wow.
Yeah, but the kid wasn't. Let me explain. It wasn't the robot that went too far. The kid passed a little line on the floor because I guess he was excited.
Petra, hello. They getting crazy with some of those robots. I think I seen one of those with the robots fighting. Won't
Tacos
be
with
long.
Cholula Lua sauce. What is that? Pert? What's the word for pert in English?
Pert, like a loss?
No, pert. You know, like in French, when a woman has her period.
Ah, her period. There you go. You got it. C'est perte.
No, there's the pert. It's a vaginal
excretions,
discharge.
discharge. Yeah, discharge.
Discharge. Yeah, but pert isn't the official medical word. It's
No, perte in French they use it for blood.
yeah.
But also
shit.
for the
No, shit doesn't come out. I don't know what kind of girls
but
you've
also
been
for
dating.
the white stuff. They
You're on
use
the
it for
wrong
both
side.
in
Time for me
French.
to take a break.
In English, when you say discharge, in English the discharge is just the white stuff, not the blood.
Look, he's going. I gotta talk to the birds and the bees with my son. No,
Where did he go?
I don't know what's going on. I don't know what accounts I'm trading. I don't know where I'm clicking. I don't know what's long, what's short. I'm confused. My brain is in slow motion today. I think I'm groggy. Might have inhaled too many French fries.
Chet, you guys want to come give me a sub? I'm almost at 115.
Oh yeah, guys.
For everybody listening,
sure.
pop up to DNA Trading, shoot me a sub.
The stream is not getting my why because we talked about pert, les pert.
If you guys want, I'll even go over the trade I took this morning.
Let me put up the link.
You know I came waiting for you.
Guys, go over to Alex's stream. Give him some love. Let's see if the link works. Wave. I'll see if
Give
it's
me
you.
some love.
Okay, it's you.
It's me and TA in this. We're holding down the fort.
114.
Put your hands up,
114.
TA.
Come on. There's 100 people in the room right here now.
You know I
There's
came.
220 people. Someone can click that link and go and give him a sub.
Give me some.
Give him some love.
We don't got much.
Petra. The Learning Channel?
Yo, this market, man. Yes, sir, AD. Hello, hello.
Mike, was Alex teaching you about the birds and the bees?
I was teaching him
No, I was
about
waiting
the
for you to.
birds
He
and
told
the
me to wait
bees.
for you to get back.
Ah.
All right, so you want to hear about the birds and the bees?
Mm-hmm.
Mike, when your boys were little, did you teach them about the birds and the bees, or they had to find out from school?
Wait a minute. Hold
Bon
on.
appétit, AD.
Hold on. So you're thinking that the way mosquitoes are born is miraculous, and that
Yeah,
the
did you
way
see?
and the coincidence of our eyes and everything is just unbelievable. Has to be
We're like
creator.
supercomputers. Yeah, there has
I
to be
won't
a
say a
creator.
divine creator, but has to be a creator. So So you're telling me they created a universe that we don't know how big it is because we can only see 13.8 billion whatever years. They created 2 trillion universes. And many of these universes have hundreds of billions of planets. So that's a number we don't even know. That's like, what's 100 billion times 2 trillion? They did all this. So one tiny, tiny little planet in one of these 2 trillions of galaxies can have life for 200,000 years after it was stewing for 4 billion years. He created all that and all that empty space because you have no idea how much the empty space is. The closest planet to us is 4 light years away. All that just so he can have one little life form on one planet, and not even the only life form because there's been, I don't know, countless
So how do you
life
know how
forms
many
on this.
planets or universes are out there or solar systems?
I'm not talking with you
many have
because
We
life
don't.
on
Wait. We don't right now because light has to reach that area for us to know. And light takes time to travel.
Omnius, ask him about his hand.
What?
Go.
forgot how it went.
Give him the hand question.
What's the
Look
hand
at your
question?
hand, Alex. How do you know you have a hand? It is a good thought question, though. I don't disagree with it.
How do I know I have a
Yeah,
hand?
I wish I remember how they worded it.
How do you know you have a hand?
It's perception.
know
I don't
you
know.
have a hand?
My brain knows I have a hand.
Your hand perceives a hand.
My hand
Your brain
perceives a hand.
perceives
No,
a hand.
my brain perceives a hand.
Yeah.
Well,
Sorry.
explain
What did
Well,
I
how do
say?
I know I have a hand? Because when I reach for the cup, the cup goes to my mouth.
How do you know that's happening?
Okay.
Like what he means is how do you know it's not a simulation?
At that point, you don't know anything.
Yeah, you don't know if it's
You
a
don't,
simulation.
but we have perception, so we have to perceive things. At that point, throw yourself in a box and you won't die, right? Because who knows if you're actually starving? We don't know that.
All right.
We don't know.
If a tree falls in the woods and there's nobody there to hear it, does it?
I love this question. Go ahead.
Me too. I love it.
Go on.
Okay, what's the fucking question? I'm listening.
You didn't
What's the
finish
question?
it.
I didn't hear. I just heard if a tree
in the
falls.
forest and no one hears it, does it make a noise? The answer to that is define noise. It all depends on how you define what noise is.
No,
Open
noise
the
has a
dictionary.
definition. It's
Finish it.
decibels. Any decibel that can't be recorded is noise. Obviously, there's noise.
Back up. He ruined it.
I didn't ruin it. You didn't finish it.
There's nobody around to hear it. Does it make a sound?
Yeah, it does.
What's your definition of sound?
I told you. I gave you my definition of sound. Anything that makes at least one
that was
decibel
noise.
of
Noise and sound have
sound.
different definitions. You can't use the same definition for noise and sound.
Bro, anything that makes a tick of a decibel is sound.
So there you go, Omnius. You got your answer.
So it did. I don't have to hear it for know that Michael Jackson was recording his music. Somebody out there heard it. The squirrel heard it. The ground felt it.
That's my point also. Exactly. I don't have to hear it. I don't hear every noise, every sound that the planet makes every second, but their sounds are generated.
Water's wishing.
Well, then it's not a sound.
It is sound.
It's not a sound if it's not heard.
Okay, so if we have World War III, but we don't have the news for it to tell us that it happened in northeast of Russia and that war didn't happen because we didn't see it or felt it or heard it.
Yeah. What about everything that happened before I was born?
Well, then how do you know it happened? The point is
because we have facts.
Not made because something perceived to make a sound. The sound's made because you hear it. Your brain, you actually don't even hear it. Your brain perceives that you hear it through the information it's sent to the brain.
I tell it to my wife every time I fart.
It's like seeing. We don't see. We just accept the light.
Yeah, the reality.
Decode it. That's why different people see different things differently.
Yeah,
she still finds a reason to slap me.
Just like people hear things differently, and people perceive touch differently, because it's not the touch that you're perceiving; it's the way your brain perceives the touch.
But where's the logic in that? So if a tree fell and it made noise and we weren't there,
where's the logic in that?
It means that the tree never made any noise because we weren't there to hear it.
Hear you because every time you talk, Mike start talking.
It seems to be a repeating pattern, but it's only perception. If Mike always interrupts Alex, but nobody notices, did he really interrupt Alex?
Did he really?
Okay, I won't talk anymore. I'm biting on my lip.
What was you saying, Alex?
I actually don't even remember. What was I saying?
He done forgot.
I got him. I got him. I won. That's the goal.
Just
Make
because
them
air
forget.
moves doesn't mean there's a sound. Your brain perceives the sound based on how the air pushes against your eardrum and the hair inside your ears.
Okay, so then why is there no sound in space?
There's no air in space. Well, that was kind of a self-answering question.
No, it goes back to my logic that sound is like some sort of decibel frequency. So you have to have that thing to happen for noise to happen. But it doesn't mean that just because we're not
Hey,
there that it
sound
didn't
is air
happen.
moving.
Like, how do we know what's going on in India right now? Everything that's happening in India right now, we have no news about. So nothing's happening there. There's no noise being made. No stories being told.
I don't understand. I don't understand how those are related.
I'm confused too. I don't know where we're going. We deviated so far from us being created.
All right, go back to that one. I like it better when you and Mike argue about it. Mike, you argue with him about it being created.
Mike's against me. Mike doesn't believe in me that we were created.
Mike says it was all random.
No, Mike says we
I
were
don't believe in
we're
Yep.
in a
random theory.
simulation.
Definitely believe in simulation. I think it would be hard to argue against
But
simulation.
there's no way we're uncreated.
Well, that don't mean we're uncreated. It just means it's simulation.
Actually, if you don't understand, I don't understand quantum theory, but I have a better grasp of it than the layman. If you haven't even looked into quantum theory at all, it's hard to have a conversation with anybody if you don't understand.
Well, it's like that with everything, Mike.
Same thing. You never felt anything. All you do is you feel the repulsion of the electrons. That's what you sense as feeling.
That's what I'm saying.
But
How
you've
perfect
never
are we? You
touched
see how
anything.
crazy we are? Like how magnificent the human body is?
Mm.
We're a machine that one in a gazillion coincidence for like an eyeball to be formed happened 50,000 times in a row, or 50,000 of those coincidences happened at the same time for us to be created. It's
Well, same
retarded.
thing like
Our eyeball,
the
our
same-
legs, our brain, our lungs, our liver, our kidneys, everything for it to heal itself, for it to
But again, it's the
communicate.
same argument. There's the exact perfect sperm of like 5,000 men had to find its way to the woman, to the exact woman for you to be born.
And
If
what's
you go
even
back in
crazier
time.
is that our DNA have caps on it. So evolution, like longer lives and stuff like that, are not even possible. It's like somebody created us and then put a limit on what we can actually do. Our
And
DNA
here's
have
when they
caps.
say
We
that
can't
all
evolve and to live longer and live healthier.
all
Have you
mammals
ever
have
read
approximately 1
like
billion
the
breaths.
emerald tablets and stuff? I think they all talk about that.
I don't know. Other crazy
Being
theories how the pyramids were built.
being created by the Anunnaki and all that stuff,
No.
which is basically the basis of all religions, also.
And here's
Belief
another thing.
systems
How
and
the hell did the first person create calculus? You're telling me they're throwing apples at each other and hunting lions, and some guy at home with rocks and a little wooden stick decided to say, "Oh, let me figure out 3x plus 7y equals 15."
Of course not. It grew slowly. Started with 1 plus 1, and then
1
went
plus
to
1. Do you know
2.
how
The guy
far
counted his
calculus?
2 wives. I have 2 wives. And then they had children, and they had 3 children, but they only had 1 deer. They had to figure out how to cut it up. I will give 1/3 to each child,
Okay.
and it slowly develops.
I think calculus has been around a long time, isn't it?
Yeah, ancient Greece, or not even. I think it was the Arabs who found it before.
Yeah,
But
I
this
think
is
the
before
Arabs, but
Christ. How are they doing calculus before even Jesus Christ came? There was no cars, no planes, no nothing. No one was doing math. You have to count. The only thing you have to count is your money for tax purposes, gold coins or silver coins.
mm,
Who's creating calculus? And then you're figuring out electricity and light bulbs and all these things. And now we're building planes and spaceships.
it was I
Google's
think it was
saying
Alexander
Google's
Calculus.
saying
To me,
17th century.
it's like when I watched a movie. Like there was a movie of
Calculus.
Marvel.
That
How
calculus
they
was older than the 17th century.
how
I don't think
they
it was. I don't think it was. They were called the Arabs back then. I think it was the Persians. I think that's the group of people that
I don't know,
came up with a
let's
lot
check.
of contributions,
Who
especially in
came
the math
up?
field.
It says ancient
Surprisingly,
Greece, Egyptians, Babylonians. So they've had like really good math skills for a long time.
mm,
They used to track the stars and the sky and stuff.
Yeah, it's insane. To be honest, it's actually insane how people came up with shit like that.
it is. The
I
world
think
is
what's insane is they kind of make you believe that like 1700s, 1800s, like everybody was just kind of stupid. And then all of a sudden everything just like grew out of nowhere.
Well, they weren't stupid. They had to be smarter than us because they were given nothing. Now we're doing math and stuff on Excel spreadsheets and all this type of crap. I think the average IQ was higher back in the day than now.
Oh yeah.
By the way, my dad always said money doesn't grow on trees. Just in
Yeah,
case
right. I never understood that.
just in case you guys don't know, money
My-
does not grow on trees.
But
My
yeah,
dad used to
where
say
it was
that
the
too. I
Arabs,
never
yeah.
understood it. I'm like, Dad, is that like an oxymoron or what? Do you realize what you're saying?
I don't even know if I got a trade. I haven't been looking at my charts recently.
Yeah, me neither.
What do we have
Just
on
enjoying the
NQ?
conversation. Three, two, 1, 0.
What do you say? We're doing games today or no games?
I would love to take a break.
Yeah, take a break.
What today's Wednesday? We'll double it up tomorrow. For the lucky people who are here tomorrow, we'll double it up. We'll keep the players list. I won't reset it. We'll just let it keep growing. I can use a break. I got to do some stuff with my wife and my daughter anyways. I got to send out emails.
I was
I never-
listening to the Big Bang versus the creation arguments.
Mm.
I need more good arguments like that. Good debates. Never have good debates around here.
Look,
Maybe one day we'll even have master debates.
there
You know what I mean?
are good arguments on both sides.
Master debates, master baiters, all the same thing, huh?
Sure. Wow. We just got
What? We're talking about debating.
we just got flagged for vulgarity. I'm done for
I
the
was talking
day. I
about
hit my daily
debating.
profit, locked my account to avoid over trading. That's the smartest thing you can do.
You just decided to go the vulgar way.
Mm-hmm.
Like
I
for
am
example, if I threw a banana on the floor and I baited you into it, you see I'm a master baiter.
I am disturbed. I am disturbed. Locked himself out of his account.
That's probably a good idea.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Fuck off.
Mike, I heard
Fuck off.
the Ninja Trader update gives you a lockout button.
Yep, there's a lockout. I don't know if there's a lockout button. There's a lockout. I don't. Let me see.
Or maybe it's
I don't
just a
wanna
lockout.
click
Maybe I
it.
misunderstood.
Yeah. Click to configure a temporary account lockout. Oh, I love it. I'm going to do it right now. I'm going to lock myself out of my PA.
You know why I never liked those? I never liked those because it takes too much time to unlock it to take the trade.
1 hour. Lock
It
account.
never stopped me from taking the trade. I just cursed for the 5 minutes it took to unlock it to take the trade.
I locked my account. I can't touch it.
Which one? Blinox?
No, the PA and Apex. Yeah, it's up 577. That's good.
Yeah, that too.
Made
The
300 in
first trip on
Bullinox
the moon.
And the Master. It was a good day
Earth
today.
is flat. The people
Earth
who
is
live
flat.
beneath us, the pyramids, Area 51,
yeah.
Battle of Los Angeles, the Men in Black. Like how many conspiracies there are?
Aliens in the ocean, the aliens in the Antarctic.
There you go. Why can't we
Yeah,
go
aliens.
past a certain point to the Antarctic? Why did all these countries get together and say no one beyond this point? What are they
Omnius lives in
hiding?
Georgia. All these conspiracies.
Ciao, no skills. Enjoy. Have a good one.
What about the world fairs?
The world what?
I told you before, the world fairs. You never looked into the world fairs?
No.
The world of fairies.
World fairies.
That has to come from the guy on Taco Tuesday. Those are the type of people you talk to on Taco Tuesday.
Taco Tuesday.
The world of fairies.
No, I didn't look.
The
A
damn
hollow
whole
moon
family can't hear.
theory. The hollow moon. Yeah, the moon is made of cheese.
Go look up the World Fair, man. There's a
No.
bunch of them.
Was there a World Fair?
There was a
Because
bunch of them.
we missed it here in Quebec. We didn't have a fair. We had no roller coasters, no Ferris
Bullshit. I
wheel,
bet there was a World Fair in Canada. Y'all just don't know about it.
no popcorn, no
What's a World
what do they
Fair?
call that? Barba papa, cotton candy.
What's a world fair though? What's the point? I'm confused.
Do you know cotton candy in French is called daddy's beard?
It's more complicated than just talking about it. You have to go look it up.
Oh, you filled my brain
Expo
with
67, Montreal.
yeah, we were
Or
there.
the book on how they're poisoning us and keeping us in check, our education system, our health system.
Fluoride.
The symbol of the hospitals with that like snake around the
You know-
staff is from Bad Omen back in the days. It's crazy. The conspiracy
You know
theories
who,
we have on Earth is retarded.
Do you know who distributes the textbooks? One of the large companies that distributes textbooks for schools
No.
is Ghislaine Maxwell's father.
So we had a business distributing textbooks.
Yeah, I'm sure. Uh-huh.
Well, what were you? So what's the theory here?
How the
This guy's
Rothschilds all
spreading-
came off the Titanic boat and left the guy who owns all real estate on the land go before them, and they all decided to
and,
say no on the last 5 minutes and get off, and then suddenly he died on the ship, and they all got his stuff at a discount because no one in the area was as rich as them.
And
Bro,
Leonardo
this-
DiCaprio wasn't
Okay,
really
okay,
cast
okay.
for the movie The Titanic, but
I'm telling you,
I
there's
think,
like a lot of
I
crazy
think
shit out
Canada-
there.
Canada had a Montreal World Fair, I think.
Yes.
And,
We did
Vancouver World
1967.
yeah, we were there. I was there. I'm not joking. I was there. I have pictures. I was at Expo 67. It was a big thing.
I said
Fair.
1967. There you go.
Expo 86, Vancouver, 1986. That's
My dad
anything
took
in
a
the
lot of pictures.
1800s.
World Fair was a thing in New York. They told us we would have flying cars and microwaves.
Mm.
You
But no, I
know
was never
I
told of any
can't
conspiracy
wait
theories
for
around the
you.
World Fair.
What time is it? Oh, 46.
Yeah.
I feel like I've been here for a full day.
Yo, Papalando. How are the commercials going? The ads.
Popa.
I removed them. There should be no more ads.
No more ads.
No more ads. Oh, it's cold in the basement, I gotta tell you.
Popa. Yeah, the amount of conspiracy theories there are out there, huh?
So you don't believe that people died on the Titanic?
Oh, I believe people died on the Titanic. For sure. The Titanic is still there. It's easy to
Gloria.
prove.
What about Gloria? I don't know a girl named Gloria. Tuna with Tina. It's the best I can
Ew.
give you.
I wonder how she got the nickname Tuna. Ew.
Ew.
Gloria. He writes Gloria again. Not glorious. I don't get it. Someone decode his messages.
Who?
Papalanda. Gloria, not glorious.
Wait, what did I just hear?
Dog's barking. Amazon's here again. The Amazon driver must say, I don't even know why I leave your house. I might as well just camp out on the front.
I might as well just stay here.
Mm.
You see that one
Oh.
with the driver, like yelling or what they caught on the rain cam? He's like, I was just here. I just left here. Like every freaking day. How many things do you have to buy? How much room you got in your damn house?
Yeah.
How do you have any more room left?
I swear to God, I told my wife yesterday, is there a TikTok challenge where you're trying to empty out the Amazon warehouse? Okay, you know what? I was going to cancel the meeting at 12, but I guess we'll have it. I don't think anybody caught my, I guess I'll go to Degenerate Traders Anonymous. Omnia, Sal, you guys want to join? Want to tune in?
Tune into what? I don't get it.
I'm doing a mentorship with Martin. We just go over, whether or not we've been disciplined in our trading and
No, I'm okay.
what we can do better and that kind of stuff.
Sounds like an AA meeting.
It does.
Omnius, how did you turn out to be Gingerbeard if there's no creator? First off, trade never after. Let me explain it to you. First off, I never said there wasn't a creator. Second off, your mommy and daddy do this thing here, and you get some DNA from mommy and from daddy. I didn't think I'd be explaining birds and bees today, but yeah. So you get a little bit of DNA from daddy, you get a little bit of DNA from mommy. And then when that comes together, if mommy or daddy had red hair, then generally you would have red hair. Now, keep in mind that certain genes can be dormant. So even if your daddy didn't have red hair, maybe your grandpa did. That's how those things happen. Next question. I'm pretty good at answering questions, ain't I?
That was a great answer.
That was a great. I think myself.
No, Martin. If we do that, we're basically throwing in the towel. That's how.
Where did the DNA come from? Okay, Mike, I gotta answer this one. My trade never after. Your daddy has a thing like this. He puts that into the
Ew,
taco
what's
sauce.
that?
The taco sauce comes out, injecting DNA into the specimen.
Ew, Daddy, is that true?
The most remarkable thing is these people who believe in creators or that things needed a creator because it's so complex. Do you want to think a little bit deeper? If you're telling me complex things needed a creator, then the creator is more complex than these things, then that creator needed a creator, and so on, and so on, and so on, to infinity.
Wow, you're a genius.
So you have a little bit of a problem there with the creator.
So you're saying there's no creator?
I'm just saying you got to deal with that logic.
Are you saying there's no creator?
I'm saying you got to come up with an answer to the logic. Then who created the creator?
Are you saying that your daddy was a conspiracy theory?
No, I'm not talking about that creator. I've gone higher. I've gone to the big creator, the major creator, general creator, Colonel creator. I'm all the way up to Colonel creator. 4-star Colonel. If complex things needed a creator, then the creator needs a creator because he's more complex than the complex things he created.
Oh yeah, you got it.
That would be the same thing as saying if you believe there was a big bang, then there had to be somebody to make the bang. So see, that works both ways.
What came first, the chicken or the egg?
If there was a big bang, somebody had to create the big bang. So you still need a creator.
Yeah, and that'll just go back and 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 back until infinity.
Even if you Mike, think about this. Even if you believe
give me a headache.
The Big Bang created the Big Bang, then it was still created by something.
Mm-hmm. Always created by something, yeah, always cause and effect. But it goes back and back and back to eternity. To infinity. Trading's over, JC. How was trading? I survived. I jumped in a minefield and I didn't get my legs blown off. That's all that matters.
We all survived.
The one damage that you see there, I did that last night.
They're just trying to kill my stream. Something y'all said? Oh man, conspiracy stuff. Then all of a sudden they're trying to kill my stream. Must have got too close to a conspiracy.
Well, I don't know if it's amazing, but
All right, I'm out. It's 11:55.
it's a miracle. It's a miracle I didn't step on a market landmine today. There must have been divine intervention. With that, I'm going to leave you guys. Thank you for hanging out with us today at 11:30 or 11:45 or 11. I don't even know what I'm saying on this day here, Thursday Eve. Thanks for hanging out with us. I hope you guys had a good time. I'm being, hold on. I'm hearing a message. Yep, they're saying to call it a day. Are you drunk?
But is it really today, or is that just a conspiracy theory as well?
Okay, closing up. Alex, nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you all.
And maybe we'll see you again. Maybe we'll invite you on the stream again.
One day.
Omnius,
What?
it was
I didn't do
fun.
it. Don't fucking blame me again. Golly.
Yep. I am distributed. We're closing up shop. I'm back, AD. Too late.
Too late.
Too late. We've been informed we have to close up by the creator.
Uh-huh.
Okay, guys, thanks for hanging out. Omnius, you want to say anything?
I'll be on at 1:15. Oh, sorry, go Omnius.
Alex, go ahead.
I was gonna say I'll be back at 1:15, and besides that, it was a decent morning. Happy I didn't get slaughtered as well in this market condition.
Okay, if you want to check out his channel, it's called DNA Trading with a slash in between the A and the T. A minus sign.
Appreciate everybody if you haven't already.